Today I want to show you how to make a primitive fish hook, so stay with me. Okay, so you can make a fish hook out of some hardwood. This is willow, but I don't have very much hardwood out here. Preferably you'd use some bone or something kind of like that, but you want to flatten it out. Okay, so both sides. Okay. Just get this. Kind of like that. Okay. So you make sure your whole thing is flat, and then you'll cut it off. Okay, you're shooting for a sliver, kinda. So it's flat, about this big. Now you want to carve some points on the ends. So if you make it out of bone, you don't need it as thick, and you can leave it about this thin, and it'll be a lot more durable than just making it out of wood. Okay. Then you want to notch it right in the middle, right here, and then you'll take some paracord and tie it on. So we have a notch and 2 points. And then we will tie it on. And an easy way to do that is tie a slip knot. And then wrap it. And then put your string through the slip knot and pull it tight. And then it will cinch itself down. But I didn't do it right. Okay. So string or fishing line. And then there's your hook. And then you'll have this other end tied onto something a little bigger. Okay, and then you'll take your string and point it along your bait, and then you'll stab this in your bait, and then your fish comes along and bites it, and when you pull, you get this twisting action, and then it gets sideways in its mouth, and then you got a fish. And this also works for a fish stringer, okay? But you'll want this made out of bone or hardwood or metal, but if you need it, you can always use it out of something. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and if you want more, just let me know in the comments. Thanks.